Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Kumihimo cord. Here you see some examples. To make a Kumihimo cord, you need a Kumihimo disc with 32 openings. Of course you will need some yarn and you will need a weight to put at the bottom of the cord. I use a tablecloth weight. When you have very long yarns, they can get tangled, so you want to roll the yarns onto a bobbin. This is a special Kumihimo bobbin. It opens up like this. You roll the yarn onto it and then you close it. And when you need more yarn, you just pull it. When you don't have the special bobbins, you can use a clothes bag. Roll the yarn over the peg and put it through the opening. I'm going to use this pattern. On this side you see what yarn goes where on the disc, and on the left side you see how the cord will look when it's finished. For a Kumihimo cord, the yarns need to be 3 times longer than you want the cord to be. I have 16 yarns here together, and now I will make an overhand knot. Then I will put the knot in the disc and I will put the yarns on the disc according to the pattern. The yarns are now on the disc in the order of the pattern. There are always 2 pairs with 2 openings in between the pairs. As you can see, the knot is not in the middle of the hole. So we're gonna loosen it up a bit on this side so we can get the knot in the middle. And then you have to put the weight underneath. Just clip it on the yarns. I'm not going to do that in the video because it will bang against the table and it will make too much noise. But don't forget to put some weight on your cord. Now for the braiding. Start at the top. You take the right yarn and you put it down. Then you take the left yarn and you put it up. Turn it anti-clockwise and take the right yarn again and put it down. And the left one at the bottom, put it up. Right one goes down and the left one goes up. And you just keep on braiding like this until the cord is the right length. It will take a while until it's finished, so you will probably stop in between. If you would stop like this, it will be very hard to see where you left off. You can see what yarn is on top, so then you would know where to continue again, but it's easier when you stop that you put 1 yarn down. Then you have 3 yarns together and then you will always know that this one has to go up. My cord is now finished, so I will take off the weight and get the cord off the disc. Straighten the yarns a bit and then I will make an overhand knot. A Kumihimo cord stretches. I have not pulled the cord yet. Now I will pull it and you will see that it will get longer. When you make a cord, pull the cord every now and then so the stretch is out. If you would not do this, you will end up with a much longer cord than you need. Thank you for watching.